In this video we install, review and test Winux 2026-02. We boot the Winux image and wait for the operating system to start and load. At startup we see a Windows-like theme. We run the installer and enter the language, location and keyboard layout to begin the setup. Next, we select the disk for installation. We choose the option that erases the disk, then enter the name, user and password. We accept and the installation process begins. Winux was released in 2007 based on Kubuntu and previously known as Ubuntu and Linux FX. The operating system boots for the first time. We can see the Windows theme in detail, giving a look and feel very similar. We reviewed the settings and noticed the similarity of options like system, devices, apps, accounts, accessibility and security. Now we look at the panel and buttons, which surprised me for their strong similarity to Windows 11, although KDE Plasma details remain. We search applications and find many similar to Windows. It even includes links to Office Online. We search the terminal and open it. We update the system to refresh mirrors. When finished, we install the packages required to evaluate the system performance. We run Neofetch to view system information such as version, kernel, which is very updated, and the desktop environment. To contrast system information, we run commands. We notice average values for idle memory and package size in the results. We run Sysbench to evaluate performance, starting with the CPU using a single thread. The events per second result is excellent. Next, we evaluate the CPU with 5 threads to see concurrency behavior. The events per second result is average. Now we evaluate threads to see how worker-level concurrency is handled in the system. The result again was average. Next, we evaluate Mutexes to see log management efficiency using 5 threads. The result was very low compared with others. We evaluate memory read speed to check how the operating system manages memory. The reading result is very good. Now we change command arguments to analyze memory write speed. The result, similar to the previous one, is also very good. We prepare files required for a disk input and output test. This separates the creation phase from the evaluation. We run Sysbench indicating a basic filial test. That means disk input and output evaluation. The result is really excellent. Now we analyze memory consumption per Firefox tab. We open 4 browser tabs for the test, and the result is truly excellent. The default browser is Edge. We run it to review it. It works quite fast, and the homepage is very visual and includes AI. One important thing to mention is that sometimes this screen appears, suggesting the purchase of a Winux license. Despite many attempts, we could not install NVIDIA drivers. Therefore, testing was done only with Intel with a good value. We have now finished the Winux system evaluation. We shut down the entire system before presenting the final conclusion. In conclusion, Winux is a Linux distribution. It tries to keep the main idea of the Windows desktop and is very similar. Regarding performance, it has some outstanding aspects, but also some results that remain average among distributions. That is all for this video. If you liked it, subscribe, leave a like and enable notifications. See you in the next video.